Replace a printhead due to a printhead problem or error in the HP Smart Tank 670, 720, 750, 790, 6000, 7000, 7300, 7600 printer series. If your printer has a defective or damaged printhead, you will need to replace the printhead. Follow these steps to replace your printhead. You might also notice that, for printers with touch screens, a printhead's missing or printhead problem message displays. Or, for printers without touch screens, the attention light and one or both printhead icons blink. Step 1. Determine which printhead caused the error. Look at the control panel display to determine which printhead caused the error. If the tricolor printhead icon is blinking, the tricolor printhead is the cause of the error. If the black printhead icon is blinking, the black printhead is the cause of the error. If both the tricolor and black printhead icons are blinking, both the printheads are the cause of the error. Step 2. Remove the old printhead. Make sure the ink tanks are at least half full and that paper is loaded in the input tray. This is necessary to print an alignment page after the replacement. Lift the ink access door, and then wait until the carriage moves to the center and stops. If the carriage does not move to the center of the printer when you open the door, then the printheads do not need to be replaced. Press the blue button on the carriage to open the printhead cover. Remove the printhead from the carriage, and then set it aside on a protected surface. Caution: to prevent ink from leaking, hold the printhead by its sides and keep the printhead upright at all times. Step 3. Install the new printhead. Remove the new printhead from its package. Pull the plug straight up from the top of the printhead. Remove the tape from the printhead contacts using the pull tabs. Caution: do not touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzle. Do not replace the protective tape on the contact. Mishandling these parts can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Insert the new printhead into its slot until it snaps into place and you hear a click sound. Close the printhead cover. Close the ink access door. For HP Smart Tank 790 and 7600 printers, press OK to print an alignment page. And then, follow the instructions on the page to scan it and align the new printheads. For HP Smart Tank 670, 720, 750, 6000, 7000, and 7300 printers, an A blinks on the control panel and an alignment page prints automatically. Follow the instructions on the page to scan it and align the new printheads.